Today I'm gonna be getting knotless braids. So could you explain what the difference between knotless and traditional? Because when I first started coming, when I was like 6 years old, I used to get box braids. And I look back at the old pictures, they look different from knotless braids, but I can't tell why.
hmm So, uh, traditional box braids, they're heavier because the way, and they're different because of the way that you start them, right? So, like traditional box braids, you take a whole piece of hair and you literally put it on the top of the braid and you just start braiding. And it's thicker all the way down. That's why it's heavy because it's like a lot of hair added at one time. Knotless braids is like feed in. So you do small pieces and you add them one at a time. And that's why you get like the natural look at the beginning because it starts with your hair only and then you're feeding in the pieces as you go. Makes sense?
Ah.
And that's why they're lighter too. So like with traditional box braids, I may use like 3 to 4 packs of hair because you got to add all that hair at the beginning. But knotless braids, I only use like a pack and a half.
So you do you like doing knotless braids more than box braids?
Um, yeah, but I like knotless braids because of the look, that it provides and stuff. But also, it really depends on the clients who like how they like to wear their hair, if they take care of their hair. If if their hair is like very coarse, then I wouldn't even recommend knotless braids to them because they're
Because
not
it'll
gonna
just like,
look so sleek
yeah.
and they're not gonna last as long. So it really just depends. But I don't mind doing either or actually. But boho is my favorite to do, so I love doing
Boho.
bohos.
I think boho looks the best. Not the best, but it looks really good in my opinion.
Yeah,
Especially with this like
hair.
high quality hair.
Yes, that's the best. Is the hair. It depends on what hair you're using.
Hmm.
Like today, we're using hair by Y Wigs.
Is that
So
what I had in the bob?
yes.
Oh, when I had a bob with this hair, it was so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Like I could wet it every single day. It
Yeah.
would never tangle.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I would put water on it, it would look like I just got it done.
Yeah.
Like every single day.
Yeah.
It was
It's
crazy.
so
My
good.
favorite, like ever.
Mm-hmm. It
Okay.
is so good. And their bundles are like super thick. Like, okay, I only got one bundle of hair for the style today, but like when I separated it, it came out to 260 pieces. Like
How
that's
many
a
do you
lot
normally
of
use?
hair. Um it depends on like how full and stuff. So we're gonna see today like how full this one bundle gets us, right?
Hmm.
And go from there. So like next time if we want to do like extra full or more full, then we'll just order an extra bundle of hair or whatever. But I'm excited to see how this look is going to come out with the one bundle.
Hmm. So, do you think it'll be full?
hmm Yeah, it's gonna be full, but it's not gonna be like
Crazy full.
crazy full. It'll be like how you had your hair before, basically. Like our inspo, your last time getting it.
I couldn't find the picture for my inspo.
No, your mom sent it to
She
me.
did. I told her like it
hmm
might if she scrolls up, it might be in the chats, but I deleted all my pictures, so I couldn't find the inspo
Oh,
picture.
okay. Yeah, no, she sent it to me. Those wasn't very full last time you had the blonde.
Really?
They were. I mean, they were like full, but remember that was synthetic hair.
Yeah, it was synthetic, but last time I had the blonde, it was crazy full.
Oh, it was
Well,
okay.
when I first got
Maybe
it
it just
done,
looked like that. Yeah, maybe it just. I don't know. I'll show it to you, but
it was crazy full, but sometimes it would get tangled, so I had to cut out some pieces
oh yeah, cause
like
it's
each
cause it's
day.
that crochet hair. Yeah,
Uh, but it was full.
synthetic hair be like that.
How long do you think these ones will last since it's human?
Um, well, basically, your braids are gonna last the same as how they usually last. It's just like you won't have to cut pieces out, of course, because it's human hair. So you'll just be able to wet it like you did the bob and continue on with your day.
Hmm.
um, and not have to worry about it.
I'm telling you, I would literally wet my hair like 5 times a day because I was just obsessed with the like wet look.
Yeah. Oh, the wet look is crazy. Love the wet look. I like the dry look too because it just looks so full when it is dry, but when it looks full wet, it's like tea as well.
I
So,
know. Like there's so many styles. You have boho in right now too.
hmm,
Like there's so many styles that you can do.
yeah,
It's just
so many
nice.
styles you can do. Switch up. We got to do a tribal one next time.
Tribal. What's that?
Yeah, with the
Oh,
cornrows
with
in the
the
front. Because we've only done it what with crochet in the back, huh? We haven't
yeah,
done
yeah.
it with like a sew in the back. We could do that with a sew in the back, or we could do a boho in the back.
I used to get tribal with sew-ins in the back all the time,
Yeah.
and then I would have beads too.
Mm-hmm.
Like, do you remember? Do you know what I'm
Yeah.
talking about?
Yep.
Like I would get those
But
all the
mostly
time.
the crochet. We did mostly the crochet in the back, which was lit too.
That used to be my signature.
Mm.